everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add EVM chain to Trust Wallet on iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open App Store to download and install Trust Wallet if you haven't already. Open the app and unlock your wallet using passcode or biometric authentication. Now tap on the settings icon located at the top left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom to find networks. Tap on networks or wallet depending on your Trust Wallet version. In the network section, tap on Add Custom Network or Add Custom RPC, and you'll need to manually input the information about the EVM chain you want to add. For each EVM chain, the details you will need to enter typically include network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. After entering the details, tap Save or Done. After that, your Trust Wallet should now be connected to the new EVM chain. Once a network is added, you can easily switch between different networks by selecting the appropriate chain in the Networks or Wallet section. You will now be able to view your balances and interact with decentralized applications on the newly added chain. And that is all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!